You're gonna be shocked when I tell you that units in this building cost as little as $400,000. We've already showed you the 100,000 square foot amenities in the last video. In this video, we're gonna show you our 3 most favorite units and how much they're worth.
This one, I kind of see the curvature right off the bat.
Yeah, so this is like a corner unit. Right?
Okay.
Yeah, so one thing that we're gonna see that's super unique, I'm touring you today, is that when we walk out here, 2 patios, right? Isn't that crazy?
Interesting.
Yeah.
I actually thought that was another unit at first.
No, so if we walk around over here, we can take a look. You're there, I'm here.
Oh my goodness. And that's the outdoor pool we didn't get a look at, right?
It's crazy. They gotta watch our last video to see all the amenities up here, the biggest amenities I've ever seen. But right now, it's a unit tour, so come back inside. Over here is the dining room area, quite spacious.
Yeah.
Some of the duplexes we looked at recently, it's like they've forced a dining room area here. But
Yeah.
this is supposed to be a dining room area.
I like how this is the dedicated dining room and then you have the dedicated prep space and everything like that. So
Good sized kitchen. I mean, we are in a corner unit, so pillar. But this was an interesting and also creative usage. You
Yeah.
could actually use these pillars for something. So this is around
just
like,
over 1,000 square foot interior and just under
Total.
500 square foot balconies. So
yeah, pretty big. So total
Wow.
like around 1,500.
yeah.
Corner space, all new brand kitchen.
And I like
Wash.
how, you know, this still got gas burners. And knowing Concord, I knew
It's
it.
really big.
I knew
What?
it.
Oh, these.
The pull-outs.
Over here, it is, you gotta get creative with the usage space and corner units. They put a workstation over here, living room over here.
Automatic lighting.
One thing about this is like, I wonder where the TV goes. Because you could put a TV here, but you're at an angle.
Well, I mean, they have those new TV mounts that have like the articulating
Oh,
arm.
they're coming out?
So you could even push it flat, pull it out, face it this way, face it that way.
Right.
That's what I would do personally.
So let's take a look at our bedrooms now. This is bedroom number 1, and look outside here, look. Look at this. Patio over here as well, can you see? This is like wraparound patio. And remember, we're gonna be taking a look at 3 units today. This
Okay.
2-bed, 3-bed, and the townhouse.
So I gotta pick my favorite at the end?
Well, my favorite is the townhouse. That's why we're saving best for last.
Okay.
But the 3-bed, I would say, is even better than this. So
Interesting.
keep that in mind as we finish rest this. This is our bathroom right here.
Full bath, cool.
Brand new. Oh, good. And this is, yeah, this is very iconic Concord, like the bathtub, and also iconic Concord, like this color of door, double
Yeah,
vanity.
this feels very Avenue 1.
And then this is, I guess this would be the primary, but both bedroom sizes are quite similar in size.
Yeah, this because this one has the ensuite, so. And Alex, king size bed?
That's pretty big though. Yeah.
Yeah, because you have more, you know, room here. So.
And then this is our patio, walking around. So this is a lot of patio space. And then look at this. This view is actually quite something. I mean, there's no developments on this side. What is this
Yeah.
direction?
Oh, that's the US.
Oh, that's the US.
Yeah, and then that's Mount Baker.
So there's never gonna be developments here. Probably.
Not never, because I mean they have the new hospital going on over there, and then
Right.
a lot of forested area.
All right, so this was my least favorite unit of the
Okay.
3 we're gonna see.
Well, I'm
We're
excited
gonna
to see the other
a better
ones.
one next. And then the third one, the townhouse, it's like, it's not just the fact it's a townhouse, it has a really unique usage of space. Okay, let's go to our 3-bedroom unit. So, 3-bed.
3-bed, yeah. Happy
right.
to check it out. Kind of same as we saw.
So,
Yeah.
I mean, over here overall it's just bigger. I forgot the square footage.
200 square feet more.
200 square feet more, but it feels a lot bigger. Well, first of all, it's not a corner unit. It definitely feels a lot cozier. I mean, the bedrooms you're gonna see is more of the same size, but you just have a more centralized
I see.
living, dining room area. Also, oh, the dining table is here.
Yeah.
Yeah. But the patio space is a little bit smaller than the other place, because that one was like a wraparound on the corner. Here
And
you
there's
just
only
have,
there's 2 or there's 1?
yeah, 1 patio over here. And then this is our bedroom over here. This is perfect for you, Dean.
Why?
Try it out.
These eggs fried rock hard, said Lizzie, as she shivered around her hen house.
Yeah.
I learned.
So the 3-bedroom, I guess this is a good design of space.
I like that, you know, it is only a 200 square feet more than the last one, but to integrate like another bedroom, but still have a good amount of living space.
Well, it's because this place has no hallways.
Yeah, that's
That place
true.
had hallways.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. So over here.
But I'm
is
guessing like the
another-
bedrooms would have to be smaller, right?
Hi, Justin.
Hi, how's it going, man?
Bedrooms.
Oh, yeah,
I mean, the
this-
bedrooms are a little bit
Slightly
smaller.
smaller.
And it also feels smaller because there's no patio door access. Yeah. And then our 3rd bedroom over here.
All right, where the magic happens, the master bedroom.
Yes. But before that, washroom. This guest washroom's pretty
It's
big.
nice that it's a 3-piece. I hate when it's like a half bath. Oh, This is way larger than I thought.
Yeah, so this is oh yeah, this is where all the space went into. Man, this is
Yeah, wait,
this is where all the space went into.
This is really big.
So this is more like you live here with like kids. This is probably how
Yeah,
it's
and
gonna
I
be,
like
yeah.
how this room
Uh-huh.
is so far, like the rooms are kind of spread out.
Right.
Right? So it's not like your headboard is against the headboard of the other room,
Right.
or vice versa, right? And you don't share even a wall with the active living space, right?
Yeah.
The living room or whatever.
So come in here. How is it?
Oh,
Is it good?
this is the Alex Fashion
Let
channel.
me check it out as we check out this washroom. This is a pretty spacious washroom. So you see in this
Willy
bathroom, there's
Wonka.
actually a lot more space.
Yeah.
A lot more width as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then even with the other one, in order for us to walk in and check it out, we had to close the door in order to
Right.
make a circle. I mean, this is an oddly skinny toilet though, I have to say.
I can guarantee that. So if I just get a larger version of this hat,
Yeah.
and I stick with these glasses, I think our viewership is actually gonna go up.
Well, let's let the viewers decide.
Right? Okay, guys, if you actually want this, like, let me know. Imagine if this was a thumbnail. It was me wearing this and this hat, and then I'm looking at homes.
Yeah.
The viewership is definitely gonna
Then
go
it'd
up.
be you and Richard in hats.
Yeah. What's your biggest hobby?
Cars.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That one,
Does it have its own garage or what?
not only its own garage. It's
Oh, it
gonna-
does?
Yeah, but not only that, you're gonna be able to work on your cars in that garage.
No way,
Yeah, the
dude.
space is amazing.
A modern build place where you can actually like wrench on your own cars.
Yeah, it's bigger than a normal garage, by the way.
That's great.
It's
Well,
I don't know why. It's a really weird, awkward space. We're gonna check it out in a bit. A lot of weird hallways that don't use space well and takes up square footage in the townhouse. But then you have this huge garage that doesn't count as the square footage.
damn, that kind of sounds like I designed that unit. I actually liked the 2-bed more than this one. The things I like this are like pocketed. Like I like that bedroom so large. I like this kitchen. But if I were to see myself living, actually that corner sprawling curve thing, I like that a little bit more. So I'm curious about the townhouse.
Well, the corner one is more like, it feels like more like a bachelor. It feels small
Yeah.
because of the hallways. This one just feels big. You feel
I
more
am a
people.
bachelor.
All right, you ready to see the townhouse? And then at the end, we're also gonna tell them the 3 prices. So
Sure.
I know which one you're gonna like the most, but you gotta tell us which one do you like based on the price.
Okay.
All right, let's go take a
Let's do
look.
it.
The most unique one and your favorite one, okay?
I'm looking forward
Well,
to
yeah,
it.
you're gonna like it. All right, townhouse number 4. There's a few townhouses here, I think
Okay.
4 or 5. But walking in, I mean, one benefit is you're coming in walk in, walk out.
So
if you
something
move
that's
stuff.
important for me, we're on 100th Avenue there. It's a busy street, is how quiet it is inside.
Yeah, it's actually so loud on the street, but here, let's not talk.
It is, yeah, it's actually pretty quiet.
It's pretty good. You
Yeah.
can hear a little bit,
Yeah.
but what's important is how much we're gonna hear in the bedroom. Because here, a little bit of sound is fine. Yeah, but one general downside to townhouses is it usually gets less light than
Yeah,
condos.
yeah.
Yeah, so this is your light source. You probably need some extra light over here for it to not
Yeah,
be
I mean,
too
there's
dim.
provisions for lights there and some pieces there.
Yeah, but this is a okay space. I mean, pretty standard. So your favorite part is gonna be the bottom. We're gonna take a look at that last.
Show me the-
All right, let's come upstairs
Parking,
first.
man.
All right. So this, real quick, powder room,
Half bath.
half bath.
My demise.
Why?
I personally a little bit don't like half baths, but it's nice that, you know, you're not gonna have to share a bathroom when you have guests over and they can do their thing here.
What is this space for?
Workstation.
One thing I do like about this is that the workstation is on the same floor as my bedroom. Because, you know.
You don't want to like have to run around too much.
Well, also I like that if I have guests over, they're not in my workstation. Like,
That's true.
if sometimes the files on the computer or things open out, they want
Yeah.
to just look at it. Yeah.
They might have the secret sauce. You know, they don't.
How to
get-
make great YouTube videos. So this is a full bath over
bath.
here. Let's take a quick look on the camera. So today, we don't know if we have B-rolls or not for this video. If we do, you guys enjoy. If we don't, imagination. This is actually why I stage it these days. Like this rendering actually already helps me enough.
Yeah, this plus the tape off here and to
Uh-huh.
show me like where it would, like how large it would take up the space.
Yeah, so this is a walk-through bathroom, right? Yeah.
So even though it's the main
Why?
ensuite, I feel like it's not as opulent as those 2 and 3 beds that we've seen. Obviously a little bit, you know, bigger closet, I'd say.
So bedroom space, this one is a little bit smaller. This one's more for like a kid or small.
Yeah, small
double
bed,
bed.
maybe it's double or twin.
So I guess this home is not really for big families. It's just still for maybe a bachelor.
Or like young couple or something.
Yeah, young
like
couple.
That, yeah.
You could have 2 bedrooms, a workspace. This could be another workspace or like a music, whatever room you
And
want
the
to
now that we're up here, the sound isolation from the road is actually so it's more impressive than I thought it'd be.
Yeah.
I really don't like too much road noise and things like that.
Do you know how much the 2-bed costed?
The 2-bed I think was 900,000, but they're taking offers because it's now complete.
Ah, okay.
Right?
And how much did the 3-bed cost?
That I can't remember.
I don't know.
Hey Justin.
964, and we are taking offers.
So it's only a little bit more than the 2-bed?
Yeah, about 60,000 more.
Wow, I would definitely get a 3-bed over 2-bed. But how much this one costs? Well, we'll tell you at the end after we show you this part that I think you use really well. Right now you have a rendering here.
That's
so
it. This is
without the
hilarious.
rendering, you're like, what the heck is this?
This is hilarious.
Right?
But you know what would be really cool? Like I'm not that into shoe collections, but if I had a shoe wall here, right? Like it would poke out to like this and then a box.
But that would have
So it's
little
kinda
walking
tight,
space.
yeah.
I think it's too tight. I think what they did for the rendering here is probably best. It's just, you have a cabinet at the end, and then you can hang stuff. It could be tools, instruments, rackets, whatever it is. Yeah. All right, so this is my ick about this place is how much square footage
Is
used and like these set of stairs.
This is big.
Right,
lots.
and also this hallway, which you can kind of use.
It's nice that they've maximized it, but it's also like, yeah, it is like locked. Like, you know, when you think about the square footage, whatever it is on paper,
Right.
it's actually not that much.
So 1 second.
Is usable.
Look at this. So we're still in your home,
Okay.
but we started using
Industrial
building
doors, yeah.
doors, okay?
Yeah.
So what does this mean?
Well, it must lead out to the parkade.
Yeah, but what? Because it doesn't feel like we've exited our home yet.
Yeah.
Well, do you see this often in townhouses that have garages?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
it feels a little odd to me. I would have hoped that it's probably a rule, but
So the thing is, you're gonna have to have self-closing doors just to keep out the carbon monoxide potential. But the other thing too is, for other townhomes, what I've seen is when they come down to the landing, basically like a landing page, a landing spot, and then it leads out to the parking. There is the small area, but usually it's like this, and then your stairs are here.
Right.
Right. So this one has a whole like kind of mudroom landing area, which obviously adds a bit more to the appeal. And then this separated section, and then your garage door.
So before I show you this room, I don't know what your requirements for garage is, but for me, I would actually get rid of this and make it not a garage.
Okay.
And make it my studio.
I see.
Filming studios. So come on in. Imagine what
Get a
it's gonna
little
look
peek.
like. You imagine it your way, you tell me how you would use it, and
Okay.
I'll tell you how I would use it.
Oh,
Yeah.
this is really big.
This is huge. Look at the rendering over here. So you can have 2 cars. You can have workstation in. If I wanted to live here at a good price, I would convert all of this into my studio space. I would need to soundproof a lot of this.
Yeah.
Justin says, as long as everything's removable, you can do whatever you
can do
want
whatever you want in there,
space.
right? Yeah.
So this is like a huge studio space that's not counted in the square footage.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
so wild. Wow, I'm actually just imagining what I could do here. Personally, what I would do is, you know, car on each side and then stack my motorcycles along the middle here, and then have the like tool walls along the back.
Would this be enough space for you to work on your cars? Or you need height to pump them up?
No, I mean for most of them, I could definitely get a lot of work done here. It's just my SUV, it wouldn't even fit in the parkade anyway.
It wouldn't
So,
fit?
No,
It's that big? What SUV?
the G-Wagon.
Oh, it's that tall?
Because it's lifted.
Ah.
So it wouldn't fit in any parkade. I don't expect that to fit into, it doesn't fit into any regular apartments anyway.
Right.
So it would just be my cars. The Cayenne would fit, so that'd be great.
So just parking your cars, that's it?
Parking the cars, working on the cars, but you know what would be nice, like to display them, right? I put the V12 over there. I got maybe the Cayenne or my Cosworth here, and then I got my 6 motorcycles like in here. This would like present so nicely. Seriously, it would be it would look just so nice. But I like how there's double doors because that adds a little bit of separation versus just one big garage door for 2 spaces. Because now there's so much room in between, and like I said, storage, motorcycles, tools. Like just sporting gear and other things that are like ready to throw in the car, you know, during winter or whatever.
Right.
Take them out, leave them here, they're gonna evaporate and dry.
Yeah.
So this is actually really impressive.
So we looked at the 2 beds, we looked at the 3 beds. In our last video, which you also check out, we checked out over the 100,000 square foot of amenities.
That was crazy.
Which is crazy if you just buy 1 bed. Now, we don't know the price of this. This is the one you probably have the most potential with out of the 3 beds, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So, Justin, what is the price of this unit?
This unit, after all the discounts, is the same price as the 3-bedroom that you guys saw last time.
Really?
$64,000.
And that's still negotiable because it's already a completed unit, right?
Around 64. And what's the interior square footage?
This one is going to be 1,680. Not including the garage,
Right.
Always the same.
I would say the usability is still about 1,300 square feet.
1,300 square feet. I'm just
what it
thinking
feels like
because
to
you have to pay your price per square feet for the amenities.
Exactly.
Right? But then I am getting for myself that extra garage as a huge room that I'm using.
Yeah. And for me, like 2 parking is like a minimum. Like minimum I need like 2
Right.
parking, right? So just to have your own private 2 parking is even crazier.
Yeah.
And then I can just
Under $1 million with all those amenities. Crazy.
that's actually insane value. All right, I'm gonna put an offer in tonight.
I'm looking forward to it.
Oh, okay.
Holy.
If you guys want to see more amazing valued homes like this, then make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and check out the next video.